I mean, it always feels good. It is kind of like a homecoming thing. It's a good way for us to start tours. We've started like the last two in Ohio, and it's a little more relaxed because we feel home, and also at the same time, we get all the insane guest list shit out of the way. The not this time. I mean, this time it was still pretty nuts, but the last time we played Cleveland in 2012, there were like 500 people backstage after the show, and Dan and I basically got so overwhelmed we had to split. Yeah, I mean, usually just like people want something signed or they want a photograph, but usually, like in Ohio especially, they're friends of friends, So we got it down for this time. There were only like 150 people back there. We went back. I was back there for an hour. The last thing I wanted to do is like someone to come backstage and then me to ignore them. When there were that many people the last time, I just didn't even go in the room because there's no way possible to even like take pictures with everybody in there. It's just too much. Like, our parents like giving passes to like their friend that works at the coffee shop or something like that. It just got a little bit insane.
Yeah.